Today we're making caprese salad. Fresh, light, and so easy, you'll wonder why you don't make it every day. Ingredients are listed in the description below. Ingredients: 2 large ripe tomatoes, 8 ounces fresh mozzarella cheese, fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic glaze optional, pinch of salt and pepper. Step 1. Slice the tomatoes and mozzarella. Cut the tomatoes and mozzarella into even slices. Think of it like layering red and white stripes for the most delicious flag. Step 2. A layer with basil. On the plate, alternate tomato, mozzarella, and basil leaves. It should look like you arranged it with love. But don't worry, it's basically impossible to mess this up. Step 3. Add drizzle and season. Drizzle with olive oil. Add balsamic glaze if you want extra flavor. And finish with a pinch of salt and pepper. And that's it, a caprese salad that's fresh, simple, and full of flavor. Quick enough for a snack, classy enough for a dinner party.